Taza also provides a complete evaluation platform. Whether you need a CMA, a BPO, or some other type, we have the platform for you to make those orders and automate the process. Let's take a look at how to request orders to be completed for you. And you could request it prior to purchasing a pool, or you're an investor, already have them. At any stage, you can request to have these completed. Let's go in and look at management and requests. Inside of here, we'll go ahead and click display. And you have two methods of assignment. One method is select assign agent, and you can cherry pick which agents you would like to use during the assignment process. This method works great if you're only doing 50 to 100 or maybe 1,000, but once you start doing more than 1,000, you'll want to use a different method. You can come in and select the agent that has the best ratings and within the proximity. Even give them a call if you want to find out if you're going to be able to get it done promptly, or maybe you just want to ask them a few questions. Then you would simply click assign, and you would assign all 15 of these or 50. You can do mass assignment with one click. They will get an email, the agents log in, and immediately begin working on your evaluation. Another method is invitation. You can do mass invitation, which sends all agents within that area and proximity an email to come in, accept the invitation, and begin working on your property. Again, you set the parameters that you would like to set. So two options for assignment. One, agent assignment, is you can select your agents, and another one is invitations, do a mass assignment. Now that you have all of your properties assigned and they are being completed by agents in the field real time, you don't need to track it. Everything is being tracked for you. Let's go ahead and look at some of them that are already in progress. Let's go ahead and look at evaluations. Here we can take a look at, let's look at some of the evaluations, Taza Client Services, and hit display. A couple options you have right off the bat is you can select them and look at the map, watch the agents filling them in real time, and also map your properties. So here's one. There's an agent down in San Diego. Looks as if they're filling it out now or working on it at this particular property, and you can view the evaluation preview real time while they're out in the field. Because we have mobile applications, you're able to take a look at the work that's being completed. Here's one of them now, of course, just a sample. Well, let's take a look at some of the final products. When you're all said and done, after you set the deadlines of when you want these evaluations completed, come in, look at some of the summaries. We have dozens of them. Let's look at Client Summary version 1. And let's look at California. Click refresh. And now we're going to be pulling up all the evaluations that have been completed in California. You have several options here. You can either download the evaluation directly from the site, or you can press the preview screen. Let's go ahead and look at one of them. So 1060. Okay. We can view it in HTML. We can download the PDF. You can do an evaluation map, of course. You can also look at the street view. So here's one of the properties that have been done. You notice that these are interactive. And if you scroll to the right and left, it gives you the line items so that you can run your reports, or we can crunch the reports for you. And let's download the PDF. Let's take a look at what a more formal version looks like. Of course, at the top of the screen here where this PDF document is, let's go ahead and open it up, will be your company information, not ours. This is a demonstration site. So here's one of the evaluations that has been completed. You get your recommended price. Scroll down, you'll see the neighborhood market information, HOA information, repair info, all of your comps. Okay. 3 current listing comps and 3 sold comps. And of course, this depends on what type of evaluation you order. We can go down and look at the general notes. This agent was very descriptive. Did a good job. Here's the pictures for you. And down at the bottom, you'll see the map. Another report I'd like to show you is the report that helps you do your due diligence if you are in the acquisition phases. We can go ahead and run the acquisition summary forecast. And let's choose a status of completed. And see what we get. Inside of here, you'll notice several columns. You can input your bid price, and it'll automatically calculate the recommended or as is margins and the repaired margins for you. Another example of one of the many reports within the system. So depending on what stage you're in, whether you just simply want to have BPO CMAs done, or you're doing the due diligence